Think AI is all science fiction. Nope. It's already in your life every single day. Let's break down how. Example 1. Smartphones. From voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant to auto-suggestions in texts and email, AI is making your phone smarter. Benefit: less typing, faster answers, better photos. Yup, your camera uses AI too. Example 2. Smart homes. Footage of smart lights turning on, robot vacuums, Nest thermostats adjusting. Smart homes? Powered by AI. Your thermostat learns your habits. Your lights follow your schedule. Even your vacuum maps your house. Benefit: saves energy, time, and effort. Example 3. Cars. Modern cars use AI for parking, lane assist, and voice navigation. Self-driving? That's just advanced AI in action. Benefit: safer, more convenient driving. Example 4. Shopping and streaming. Recommendations. All AI. Whether you're shopping, watching, or listening, AI is personalizing your experience. Benefit: finds what you like, faster. Example 5. Daily apps. AI helps you translate languages, learn new skills, edit videos, even write content without needing to be a pro. Benefit: more power in your pocket, less effort. AI isn't coming. It's here. And it's not just for techies, it's built into the tools you already use. If you learned something, like this video and subscribe for more real-world tech made simple.